Welcome to the 7th video in our Price Action Roadmap series. Today's video is extra special because it marks the last episode of our Candlestick pattern series. We've covered a lot of ground so far, and today we'll be exploring the final 4 patterns: Tweezer top, Tweezer bottom, Morning Star, and 3 white soldiers. After this, we'll be ready to jump into chart patterns next week, which will take our analysis to the next level. So make sure you stick around because you don't want to miss this. The Tweezer top is a classic bearish reversal pattern formed by 2 candles. The first candle is a strong green bullish candle, and the second is a red bearish candle. That has nearly the same high as the first one. This signals that the uptrend might be losing steam and sellers could be ready to take control. Imagine the market in a steady uptrend. Buyers push the price higher, forming a big green candle near a key resistance level. The next candle opens slightly higher, but sellers step in, pushing the price down and forming a red candle with a high similar to the previous green one. This signals that buyers may be losing control, and a reversal could be coming. Once the red candle closes, confirming the Tweezer top, you can enter a short position, placing your stop loss just above the resistance level to manage your risk. Let's understand the Tweezer bottom pattern. The Tweezer bottom is the opposite of the Tweezer top, signaling a potential bullish reversal. It consists of 2 candles. The first is a red bearish candle, and the second is a green bullish candle. Both having nearly the same low, this suggests that sellers may be losing momentum, and buyers could be stepping in to take over. Let's say the market is in a downtrend, and a strong red candle forms, closing near a support level. The next candle opens lower, but buyers push the price higher, forming a green candle with a low nearly identical to the previous red one. This signals that the seller's strength is weakening. When the green candle closes, confirming the Tweezer bottom, you can enter a long position, placing your stop loss just below the support level to minimize potential losses. Morning Star pattern. The Morning Star is a powerful 3-candle bullish reversal pattern. The first candle is a large red bearish candle, followed by a small indecisive candle, and then a large green bullish candle. This pattern suggests that the downtrend is losing strength and a reversal may be on the horizon. Picture the market in a strong downtrend. A big red candle forms, followed by a small indecisive candle, like a doji or spinning top, showing that the market is unsure of where to go next. Then, a large green candle forms, closing above the midpoint of the first red candle, signaling that buyers are gaining control and a bullish reversal could be underway. After the green candle confirms the Morning Star pattern, you can enter a long trade, placing your stop loss just below the small indecisive candle for protection. 3 white soldiers pattern. The 3 white soldiers pattern consists of 3 consecutive green bullish candles, each closing higher than the previous one. This pattern indicates a strong shift in market sentiment and signals that a new uptrend could be forming. After a period of consolidation or downtrend, buyers step in, forming 3 consecutive long green candles. Each candle opens within the previous candle's body and closes higher, showing that bulls are firmly in control. You can enter a long trade after the 3rd green candle closes, with a stop loss below the first candle of the pattern to safeguard against any potential reversals. So today, we covered the Tweezer top, Tweezer bottom, Morning Star, and 3 white soldiers patterns. 4 powerful tools that can help you identify market reversals and make smarter trading decisions. In the meantime, I encourage you to test these candlestick patterns on real charts to sharpen your skills and gain confidence in spotting them. Thank you so much for all your support throughout this series. It means a lot. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I'm Trader D, and I'll see you in the next one. Keep learning and keep trading smart.